Well, they're used in everything from photography to search and rescue missions, and soon they will be delivering items right to your door.
But according to the Department of Homeland Security, drones also pose a growing security threat. In tonight's News 4 Tucson Investigators Report, we take a look at technology that could be used to counter that threat. It's happening right here in our own backyard.
This is a significant threat to the homeland.
Department of Homeland Security officials testified at a recent congressional hearing, saying the threat posed by malicious drones is now outpacing the agency's ability to respond.
This threat is real. We are witnessing a constant evolution in the danger posed by drones as the technology advances and becomes more available and affordable worldwide.
One major area of concern along the U.S.-Mexico line. Since last October, there have been more than 36 sightings of unmanned aircraft flying along the southwestern border.
Transnational criminal organizations are using drones to traffic narcotics and conduct counter-surveillance to avoid U.S. law enforcement and interfere with ongoing law enforcement operations.
But given their relatively small size, detecting those drones coming across the border can be a challenge.
They're not going to see anything unless they can detect it somehow. They just don't know.
Glenn Spencer lives along the border south of Sierra Vista. The retired engineer and pilot has been working on sensor technology for more than a decade. More recently, he's been working with defense contractor Northrop Grumman on a way to detect drones coming across the border.
I'm pretty confident that the technology exists to, number one, detect them, and number two, I believe there's a way to disable them.
In fact, last month, Spencer was selected to remotely demonstrate his anti-drone technology at an exhibition in Las Vegas. It's technology that he believes is vital to keeping the homeland safe. Spencer also tells the News 4 Tucson investigators his anti-drone system could be quickly deployed along our nation's southern and northern border, and he'd like to see it happen sooner rather than later.
All of that is off-the-shelf, commercial off-the-shelf technology ready to go today to protect America. It's really ready to go.
And if you have something you'd like the News 4 Tucson investigators to look into, email us at investigators@kvoa.com, or you can call the News 4 Tucson investigators tip line. Phone number is